KLUDI RAK, in collaboration with Neoperl, offers revolutionary water-saving aerators which can conserve up to 75% of water and save your hard-earned money by slashing your water bill. Available in a wide range, these aerators not only save the water, but they also provide consistent water flow rate, which meets the requirements and recommendations from the standardization bodies of the UAE, Saudi Arabia and Egypt. So, how to change an aerator? Well, changing an aerator is as easy as turning off the angle valve, literally. First, unpack the aerator. We highly recommend you to read the instruction manual that came along with it. Now, gently remove your existing aerator housing using the small service key that may have come along with the pack. If your pack does not contain it, you may buy the service key separately, or alternatively, you can unscrew the housing using any tool such as a spanner. If you have bought the aerator with housing, make sure the aerator and O-ring, also known as washer, are in place. Fix the new aerator and gently fasten the housing. In rare cases, you might need to use the old O-ring. If you have bought just the aerators, then replace the aerator. Place the existing O-ring on top and fix the housing. And that's it! The aerators come in different sizes and types. Please check your aerator requirements.